Hello. I'm going to just see if I can flip the camera around. Yep, okay. So, I've got a bowl here with acetone in it. There's not a lot. It's just like covering, I've got a paper towel there, so just enough to cover the paper towel. And that bowl is sitting in another bowl of warm water. So it's out of the kettle, but I also put a dash of tap water in there so that it's not boiling. And then I just, if it's a client, I cover their hands with a towel so that the fumes don't get to them. And then I just get them to move their fingers around and rub against the paper towel. And usually 5 to 10 minutes, the product is completely gone. So you don't need to do any filing or anything else or any scraping. It just slips right off. If it's taking longer than 10 or 15 minutes, you are either using the wrong product or there's something not right there. A lot of people make the mistake of using, they think acetone nail polish remover will do the job, but it won't. That's just nail polish remover with acetone in it. So it's a percentage and generally not strong enough to remove the product. You need 100% acetone. So, and you can get that at nail suppliers, Bunnings, Big W, even I think some supermarkets have it. So, but you just need pure acetone. So while that's coming off, I might have a look at the colours, and I can show you the colours as well. The new colours from OKM. So, okay, now this is the hard part, deciding what colour you're going to have. So hang on, let's have a look. Okay, so there's about, there's 50 colours that I've got from OKM. And there's a variety. We've got some nudes, we've got dark blues, black, greys, pinks, purples, glitters. So, oh gosh, which colour am I going to do? So glitters, I love the glitters. I might do a little bit of glitter. I love this pink. If you can see that, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, there's this one here. It's a bit of like a fairy floss kind of glitter pink, beautiful. There's that silver chunky glitter as well. As the one that I've got on that I'm soaking off is the aqua glitter, chunky glitter. So there's a few different options to choose from. You've got your yellows, your fluoros. Yeah, so I'm just going to decide what colour to do, and that'll take me a few hours, and then I'll come back and show you how I apply it. No, it won't really. Just kidding. It'll take me a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back on and show you the process.